Good afternoon, you lovely people, and welcome to my acrylic pouring channel, Gillykube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Australia living the dream. And today I'm going to do a pour on a pre-used canvas that I ended up scraping because I didn't exactly like it. So today I will be doing a quick ring pour, which I haven't done for a while, using the Mont pouring paints. So I have got, I'm going to just use them straight from the bottle. They're a pre-made pouring paint. I don't believe they have any silicone in them, and I'm not going to put any silicone in them, I don't think. Or maybe I should try the boom booster in them. Not sure. No, I'm not. I'm going to do, I kind of promised myself I'd do this week without any silicone, so just to see what the pours came out like. So I'll go straight ahead and use them in a ring pour, just as they are. So the pre-made pouring paints. I just want to show you how disappointed I am with my lovely, the video is up. It was my kiss and blow video. There's no silicone in these paints when I did this, and I allowed it to dry, and then I put a coat of resin over it, and I thought it would be absolutely fine because there's no silicone, and it didn't. It's dry with a nice rubbery surface, a nice glassy surface, but it's got, I'm not sure if the video is catching it, it's got lots of divots in it that usually get that if you resin over silicone. So my lovely painting that I had as a gift for a friend, and now it's got that. Somebody told me rub it back and re-pour over it, but I did that a second time and it actually went worse the second time. So I have no idea, and I love that one. I really love that one. I will put the link in the comments below. I had not a good experience with resin this week. I also resined another one of my pieces that I love. I resined it, the colours come up beautifully, and again, it's just got a bit of dust on it now because I resined this one a couple of weeks ago. But again, it's missed bits on the edges, so not sure. And again, I didn't have no silicone left on the surface, or I didn't think I did, and yet I've got that effect. But somebody will love them, I suppose. They're they're flawed work, but as in the humankind, we are all flawed in a way. So, and hopefully we've all got somebody that loves us, even if we are flawed. That's a weird word, isn't it? Okay, what happened was I poured on a vase on a previous video with these particular paints, and it is absolutely super duper. I'll try and link the link to the vase as well underneath, unless I put this video out first. But I had some of and I used the Mont pouring paint, so I had some of the paints left because I didn't need all the paint that I'd got. So I'm going to continue pouring into the vase, and I used the, hot pink. You gotta love hot pink, so definitely need some more of that hot pink. And I used silver, black, and what other colour did I use? Hot pink, silver, and gold. So I'm gonna use, and I love the vase, so I thought, must do a ring pour in those colours now. So I'm just hoping that this comes out as gorgeous as my vase did. But yeah, how easy are those to use? No mixing or nothing, just straight from the bottle. Don't have to think about it. Alrighty, have a nice big gulp of my other cells, my coffee, and get down to doing a ring pour, which I haven't done for a long time. I don't think. I can't remember now. So here we go. Oh no, you know what? I'm going to do exactly what I did for my vase, which was I got the little lolly stick paddle, and I give it like one turn and then out. Oh, look at the stick. Even the stick looks gorgeous. I'll just pop that there. So I'll give it one twizzle. And that's what I did for the vase, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to just go with it. And I did this the same for the vase. I did the ring pour from the top and let it drizzle down. So hopefully you have a look at my vase. It was a vase I got from a charity shop for $2, and it's gorgeous. This particular paint is a lot thicker than I would probably do a ring pour normally. But it'll be interesting to see how the pre-made pouring paints work in the ring pour. It's a slow old process, this. It's slow. Now I wish I'd added some more of the pink in it, because I'm going to lose the pink unless there's pink in the bottom of the cup. Unless I take it out and add some pink. Can I do that? I suppose you can do anything. Oh, I want to add more pink. I love that pink, that hot pink. How can you not? Gorgeous. Add some more of the hot pink. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. You can do anything you like, you really can. Let's go again. Let's see what mess I can get myself into or out of. It's going all the black. What's going on? I put too much black in it. Way too much black. I'm losing all my lovely colours. Where's my pink I just put in? No, there's one little dribble. Holy dooly. Well, that's not going to work, because it's going to be all black when I tilt it off, unless the colour's underneath. So let's give this a good hit of pink back on it. Back on you, mate. Back on you, mate. Oh, I'll give it a good hit of the gold, because I love the gold in it. Look, I've got no silicone in that, and I can see little, well, maybe they're just air bubbles, so. We will see. Try, see if I can get some more colour in there. Come on, you good thing. Yeah, this is quite thick for a ring pour. Look how slow it's coming out. Well, maybe I'll go up and downy now. Up and downy. Give a different effect. Hoping I don't muddy the paints. Come on, you good thing. Come on, come on, come on. Want some more pinky in there. That pink, gold and the silver with the black looks great, but I've overdone it with the black. But never mind, you just don't know. I shouldn't give up on it until it ends. And if so, then you just pour over it, don't you? If you're not, you just scrape it. It's only paint. That cost $10, so the little pack that I used, so oh my goodness, there's more pinks coming up now, but I don't believe it would have come up like that if I hadn't have added. Oh my goodness, look at that. Super duper. Oh, I think those paints do a super duper ring pour. I don't want to lose my pink. Get on back here. Oh my goodness, wowzers, trousers. Yes, I've said that word again. Oh my goodness, that is, oh, and my sides are so gorgeous. Except for that bit there. Let's see what I can do with that. Just finger pop it. Oh, that is lovely. That's really lovely. I don't believe I've used these particular paints for the straight ring pour like that, and I just love them. I'm gonna get my little heat gun and see what happens. Like, I have put no silicone in them, so I'll just burst the bubbles in that. But that is gorgeous. I love it. What do you think, guys? I'm just washing all that black off my hands. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I've got a sink. Happy that I've got a sink in here. Even the sides are gorgeous, really lovely. Oh, I've got out of the frame a bit. Sorry about that. Sorry. Let's move it over. Wow. That is lovely. Really lovely. So much happier with that than the first one I did on that particular canvas. So don't be afraid if you truly don't like it. Just go that next step with it. Okay, got my heat gun. I'm gonna burst the air bubbles. I've got glitter everywhere because I've been glittering and blinging. Love it. Absolutely love that. I got right to the end and my camera went off, but lucky it went off when I'd actually finished. I just didn't finish talking to you, but anyway, you don't need to hear me babble on any further. I'm absolutely super happy with this. I'm so excited now. I'm already getting other colours out to have a go with the other colours because it's made a super duper ring pour. And I am going to add to my next one, I'm going to add just a bit of boom booster in the colour underneath, I think, and see if the cells come through. But it's another test, but I love this one. It goes very well with the vase that I've just poured, which is there. So it goes very well with my vase. So I could give them as a gift, couldn't I? Here's the vase, here's the art to go with it, and maybe I can think of something else to do to go with it. So yeah, please leave me your thoughts, comments, and until tomorrow there will be another pour out each and every day. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much. Bye for now.